There's a kind of dance that plays out when finding and refining where exactly to place the camera, how to frame the image, and which lens to use. There's an interplay between the form itself, the angle best suited to render it, and surrounding elements that provide context, foreground, and background. With this photograph of Tanglewood House 2 by Schwartz Silver Architects, I wanted to emphasize the structure's dramatic cantilever projecting into space. If I'd been closer with a wider lens, the form would have been exaggerated to the point of distortion. Farther away, the effect of foreshortening would have compressed the building's volume and minimized the effect. What you see is from what I considered the perfect spot. The tall wildflowers and shadows in the foreground lead into the composition and emphasize depth of space, which is further reinforced by the weight of richly textured clouds. I observed their direction of movement and waited for the darker ones at upper left to move into the frame. The combined effect captures the spirit of this design, which is at once vigorous and tranquil.